In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a conversation from Claude AI. So whether you want to save your chat for later, share it with someone, or keep a record of your work, exporting your conversation only takes a few steps. So let's get started. And firstly, you want to be sign in. So currently I'm signed in. And you want to click on your profile icon at the bottom left. And from here, you want to go to settings. And in the settings, you want to find privacy over here. And then you will have option to export data. So you want to click on it. And from here, as you can see, a downloadable link will be sent to your email. So basically, if we export the data, it's going to send a link to your email from where you can download your data. So you have to go to your email and click on download button. You have also options that you can choose conversation from. So you can choose your time range. So you can choose, let's say, all. You can choose for last 30 days or 90, or you can also set custom date. And then export will include all users, all conversations, and all the projects. So if you are ready, just click on export, and export started. Now you just need to go to your email of your account. So currently I have this checkmarkacademy.gmail.com. So if I open my email, it's going to show you Anthropic, email from Anthropic. Your data is ready for download. So you want to open it. And if you click on this download data button, it's going to download the file for you. So currently, as you can see, it's downloaded my file. Now I can drag this file on the desktop if you want. And you can right click on it, then extract all. So this is going to unzip the zip file. And from here, you can see all the conversations. They are stored in a JSON file. So this is useful if you want the structured data for development or analysis. Or if you don't want a JSON source file, you can right click on the file and you can click on open with, and then you can choose from the apps which you can use for opening. So you can, I don't know, choose Notepad, you can use many different things. And that's pretty much it for this video. So that's how you can export your Claude AI conversation. It's a simple process, but super helpful if you are working on long projects, saving research, or keeping track of your ideas. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one.